How to check account balance in Fifth Third Bank app. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website by going to 53.com. Next, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your user ID and password to sign in to your online banking account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can see an overview of your accounts. Now, look for the accounts or account summary section on the dashboard. Here you will find the current balance for all your linked account, including checking, savings, and other accounts. If you want to view more details, click on the specific account to see recent transactions and the exact balance. Remember to log out after checking your balance to keep your account secure. And that's it. Now you know how to check your account balance in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.